Hello viewers, welcome to KT's Technoti.
செயற்கை நுண்ணறிவு AI தனிப்பயனாக்கப்பட்ட கற்றல் அனுபவங்களை செயல்படுத்துவதன் மூலமும் கல்வி விளைவுகளை மேம்படுத்துவதன் மூலமும் கல்வித்துறையில் புரட்சியை ஏற்படுத்துகிறது. AI இயங்கும் அமைப்புகள் கற்பவர்களின் திறன்களை மதிப்பிடவும், உள்ளடக்கத்தை மாற்றியமைக்கவும் மற்றும் கற்றல் திறன் மற்றும் ஈடுபாட்டை மேம்படுத்த தனிப்பயனாக்கப்பட்ட வழிமுறைகளை வழங்கவும் உதவுகின்றன. AI அல்காரிதம்கள் மூலம் நிறுவனங்கள் மாணவர் செயல்திறன் தரவை பகுப்பாய்வு செய்யலாம், கற்றல் முறைகளை அடையாளம் காணலாம் மற்றும் கல்வி உத்திகள் மற்றும் ஆதரவு அமைப்புகளை மேம்படுத்த தரவு சார்ந்த முடிவுகளை எடுக்கலாம்.
Hi all. In this video, we will see about how to create a beautiful video by using artificial intelligence. Now, I am going to introduce a new AI tool, DeepBrain AI. With the help of DeepBrain AI, we can generate a video by using AI. Simply, if we give a prompt, it will create a video. Besides these options, we have many options. We can create a voiceover. We can select AI avatar for our own video. It also provides, one-stop video editor. We can convert AI text to speech, and we can create automated video creation with AI. These are all possible with this DeepBrain AI. Now let's see how to create this beautiful type of e-content videos. Now the first step is we have to click get started for free, and it will take to the new page. So where you can find the different features. Now you can see create AI video with ChatGPT. Okay, you can give a prompt, so it will create a script and it will convert that script into video. That's it. Now we have got this script-based video. So we have 4 scenes, right? So this is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Okay, just we have given a prompt. Okay, just a topic. So the AI have created the script and video. Okay, so if you want to add more scenes, okay, you can add here. Okay, by clicking on this plus, so you can add a new scene right side, so you can see the text box. Okay, so AI have generated the text based on the title, so it will be there in this text box. Okay, below this text box we have seen chart gpt option and scene speed and odd pass and dictionary, okay, and characters limits, so you can find the options there. If you click listen, so you can hear the voice. Okay, and after that you can go for a preview also. And here, see, the important thing is we have already selected the English. Okay, so if you select, so more number of languages, here you can find many languages, right? So you can also change the language based on the script. Now I am going to change the language to Tamil, okay, for the script. So you can select Tamil female or Tamil male. Okay, so first we have to translate this script into target language. Okay, now I'm going to translate this English language into Tamil. Okay, so once I copy this text, so AI will automatically detect the Tamil language. Okay, so you can go for audition. Likewise, you can change the next slides or next scene, and you can translate into Tamil. Okay, you want to prepare in English language, so it will automatically detect. So the video will be ready within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, suppose if you want to change into target language, so you have to translate and you can paste it here, and it will generate a voiceover. Okay, so once you click generate options, within the free credits it will generate a video. Okay, you can download the video in your project section, and you can also select the templates, and you can select the model. Okay, AI model, you can select the models from this model avatar list, and you can select the text, and you can insert some media, videos, and images also you can insert beyond this AI generated script and images. And you can also upload some videos, pictures regarding your script, right? And you can also insert some shapes. So these are the features available in this interface area. Okay, so you can best make use of this all these features for preparing this e-content video. So by using these free applications, we can generate a video for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, so for free version you can generate 2 videos. Okay, if it is over, you can use another Gmail ID for creation of this free version by using this DeepBrain IO. I have already created this video by using this DeepBrain IO. Okay, so if you want to prepare any kind of video in any language, you can easily prepare. Okay, just you can give a prompt and it will generate a video. If you want, we can change, otherwise we can get it as such. Okay, so hope this video will be very useful in your teaching career. We will meet in another interesting AI application. Thank you so much.
In this video, we will explore valuable techniques and practices to enhance your happiness and overall well-being.
By acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your life, you can experience a heightened sense of happiness and fulfillment. By adopting a positive mindset, you can reframe negative situations, cultivate self-belief, and attract more positivity into your life. Investing time and effort into nurturing relationships can provide a support system, create joyful memories, and foster a sense of belonging.
Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine. Being present in the moment can help reduce stress and enhance your overall sense of well-being. Continuously learn and grow. Keep learning and expanding your skills.